Somewhere in Osaka, there is a vending machine hiding in plain sight. But it isn't a vending machine at all. It's a door. And apparently, it leads somewhere very few people know about. Don't worry. There is nothing unusual going on. Nothing out of the ordinary. Until you notice vending machines everywhere. Japan's first known vending machine dates back to 1888, during the Meiji era. Inventor Tawaraya Koshichi filed a patent for a machine intended primarily to sell tobacco. Then, in 1904, Tawaraya created something surprisingly sophisticated. An automatic stamp and postcard machine. It was made primarily of wood and could dispense postage stamps, dispense postcards, return coins, indicate when something was sold out, function as an actual mailbox. And that 1904 machine survives and is considered the oldest surviving Japanese vending machine. There are roughly 2.6 million vending machines across Japan by recent industry figures, although the number has gradually declined. Nearly 2.2 million are beverage machines. That still works out to roughly one machine for every few dozen people. There's another factor you notice once you start wandering residential Japan. You don't need much space. A tiny, unused strip beside a building can become a miniature 24-hour store. That's why you sometimes encounter a glowing vending machine on an otherwise completely deserted road. But this is normal, isn't it? There isn't anything unusual about a vending machine selling things like ice cream, instant noodles, rice, cigarettes, alcohol, frozen meals, soup, dashi, toys, hygiene products, tickets, and even Kuji fortune slips. However, you do see the occasional oddball machines. Those exist, but they're curiosities rather than representative of everyday Japanese vending machines. And this is where things get wonderfully bizarre. brings us to the vending machines here in Kanda Sudacho Horror Vending Machine Corner in Chiyoda City, Tokyo. Oh yeah, this place actually exists. This isn't one strange machine. It's essentially a cluster of aging vending machines squeezed against an old building and into a cramped little passageway. It looks old, improvised, almost forgotten. And people have been calling it things like Kyofu no Jihanki Kona, roughly meaning the terrifying vending machine corner. Documented items over the years have included canned Odin, canned yakitori, canned ramen, popcorn, kanpan survival biscuits, horse meat, bear meat curry, marbles, beetle-related items, strange novelty chocolates, and various unidentified packages. And it's these mysterious packages, often accompanied by bizarre stories involving risky topics. It's a big reason the place developed its reputation. And then there are the messages. Various machines and signs have historically been covered with handwritten or homemade warnings, strange observations, stories, and rambling messages. You know, despite it not working, it sure is fucking honest. That's why the place feels like something out of an urban legend, even though it's a real vending machine business. But where do these packages come from, and who puts them there? And this is actually one of the most intriguing and unresolved mysteries of the place. I must find out someday. I've decided I'm buying a few of these mystery boxes. What do I have to lose? Besides my money. Maybe there's something fortuitous inside. Something that could change my life. It's getting late again. It's been a few days since I opened those mystery packages, and something about one of them wasn't quite right. Since then, strange things have been happening. I keep getting the feeling that I'm being followed. I don't really know. Maybe it's just paranoia. After asking around, the rumors led me here. Somewhere around here is what looks like an ordinary vending machine, except it isn't a vending machine at all. It's a hidden door. Now I just have to find it. This can't be it. Where is this place? Maybe it doesn't exist, but could it really be here? I don't know. Do you know that feeling? Like you're being watched? Something doesn't feel right, but I feel like I'm close.